Welcome to the Alex Auto YouTube channel. I'm Alex Ofosu. I help people make money in the car rental industry using cheap economy cars. Okay, so if you're here because of that, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Instagram for Business account. That way you can get unlimited leads using free social media like Instagram. Okay, so if you're ready for that, smash a like on the video so that everybody else who wants to set up the Instagram account sees this video and they don't have to pay for leads. You never pay for leads. You don't have to pay for ads in this game. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up. All right. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you my Instagram account. The first thing we're going to do, and I'm using a dummy account here, is we're going to Google Instagram.com, right? Very simple. And then you click on Instagram and you're going to click sign up. Okay. Click sign up. Now you can do a couple of things here. If you already have a Facebook account for your business, you can simply click login with Facebook and it will link your Facebook account with your Instagram account. Okay. But you need a Facebook business account, right? And I'll show you how to create a Facebook business account in another video. All right. But if you don't, no worries. You can go ahead and create this from scratch. So you're going to pick up your Gmail, right? Or your email, right? I'm going to use this Gmail right here. And then we're going to go here and we're going to type in our Gmail. You're going to set up a password. Okay. It doesn't matter what the password is. Um, and then you now for the full name, right? You want to use your business name. So let's say your business is Alex Rentals. Perfect. And then your username. Now this is a little bit tricky because usernames can be taken. Alex Rentals 1. That's perfect. And then we hit sign up. Now once we hit sign up, it's going to ask for your date of birth. So you go choose your date of birth, September 27th, 1997. You hit next. Boom. Now it's going to send you a confirmation code to your email. So you go to email. You wait for the confirmation code. Might take a second or two. Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Confirmation code's here. And you hit next. All right. Once we finish the sign up and we go into Instagram, I'll show you how to set up your profile the right way. Um, that way when you make reels, right, even if you're starting from scratch, you don't need many followers. Once you start making content, your content gets out there, then you can start getting followers. Okay, so the first place we're gonna go to is profile. We're gonna go to edit profile. Okay, boom. Now we're here, and now we want to set up our profile correctly. That way we can optimize for a business account. The way we're going to optimize for a business account is we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to account types, okay? And then we're going to switch to a professional account. All right, now it asks you two things here. It asks you for creator or for business, okay? Now, depending on what you're trying to achieve here, you actually use a creator account, okay? And a creator account can be good. There are certain features on a creator account that you don't have with a business account. Like for example, you can have a community on Instagram, right? Using that Instagram community feature in the creator account. But that doesn't you can't have that with the business account, okay? So if you want some type of community feature, you could use the creator account, which can work. Okay. If not, you go with the business. For us, we use the business. So I'm going to go with business. We're going to hit next. Right. Learn about your followers, reach your customers. You hit next. Boom. And now it's going to ask you for the type of business or category of business that you are. Okay. So we're going to hit we're a product or a service industry. So we're going to hit that. We're going to hit continue and it's going to switch us to the professional account. Okay. So now on the professional account, it's going to ask us for our business details. All right. So we still want to enter. Let's see here. Your business account is ready. Hit done. We're going to go back here. Now we have our business tools. Okay. And now you can switch from creator to personal. Okay. And then you also have your personal account tools here. And you do want to fill in this information. It's very important. So you want to put your business email address, which I'll copy and paste from here. Business email address. If you have a WhatsApp number, you can use that. We don't, my business doesn't use a WhatsApp number, but you can just enter your regular business number. Okay. enter your business number. You can enter your phone number. Boom. All right. Actually, I will leave this blank since we don't have a WhatsApp number. Um, and then you can put your preferred way of reach. For us, we like calls because we can close people on calls. And then you hit submit. Now that information is going to be saved to your profile, so somebody can actually reach your business using this phone number here. All right. So that's the way you set up your business profile. And like I said, you want to make sure you have pictures and then you have your website. Okay. So we're going to use this website right here. Boom. You enter the website. Up. Okay, you have to do this from your phone. Just a FYI, that's what it says right here. Editing links is only available on mobile, which is really weird. Instagram, but you have to do this from your phone. But you can go ahead and enter your bio. Let's say you wanted to put your website in your bio. So you enter a short little description about your business, what you do, that kind of thing. You say, um, we help Uber, Lyft drivers get on the road with our rental cars. Boom. And then you can hit sign up here, and then drop your link right there. Boom, done. All right. Now you can hit submit and it will save to your profile. So this is what your profile is going to look like, right? You have a little bio, the name. And then once you start making content, you see posts. If you make reels, you see another section with reels, okay? Now let's get into making posts. All right. So you're going to hit create and then you hit post. And it's going to ask you to select what you want to put on here. All right. So you can go into your photos and then you can select. So let's say I wanted to post something like this. Videos of my cars. So I'll insert that here. And as you can see, boom, it's done. You can trim it. You can get a cover, right? Now this feature is better on your phone. I will admit that this feature is better on your phone. And then you enter your caption. Typically on the caption, it's good to use hashtags, especially if you're new. So hashtag car rental, boom, hashtag cash cars, boom, hashtag car rental MD, boom. So you want to use hashtags, right? This will help people find you, especially if you're new. And then as you continue to grow, momentum will build and build and build and roll over. And then once you're ready, you hit share. And then as you see, it's posting. But the main thing here is making sure that you take advantage of this. Okay, this is completely free marketing. This is completely free. All right, every single person who's trying to start a car rental business, any business really, you should have an Instagram account. Without a doubt, Instagram is one of the best places to do business. Everybody's on Instagram. All right. So you should be making content every single day, pushing it out there to reach your customers, your ideal customers. Okay. So I'm going to show you real quick what this is going to look like in the end. All right. So you have your first post. It's a reel. So there's a reel section that was created, right? You have your bio and then your Instagram for business is created. So in this video, I showed you how to create Instagram business account. I showed you how to use that to create a reel, how to use hashtags to reach your ideal customer. Okay. If you like this video, hit a like button, subscribe to the channel. Okay. And if you're serious, this is for serious people only about starting and scaling your car rental business. Make sure you hit the link in my description or the link in my bio to join the free Facebook community. All right. And I'll see you there. Let's go.